Hey guys, make sure you stay till the end. We'll talk about common mistake people make when replacing fuses, relays that can cost you quite a bit of money, guys, and waste of time as well. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW, guys. 5 Series generation E60 E61. We're talking about the 5 Series BMW from year 2003 to year 2010. If you have, guys, electronic damper control, you need to find which two fuses you need to check for the electronic damper control. If you have codes or problems with it, always check these two fuses first. We'll explain where they're located, where you can buy cheap fuses, parts tools at a really good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience, guys. Make sure you stay till the end. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. If you have BMW E60 E61, that generation 5 series, we'll be making a video about every possible fuse and relay. Why? To save you time and money. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your fuel pump fuse blows out. What do you need to do? Okay, it takes forever to find where it's located. It's so complicated, you may have even multiple fuses, and all you have to do, come to our channel, search for it, and you'll be able to find that video, watch it, and in less than 2 minutes you replace the fuses, you're back on the road. Something else, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make, guys, at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you guys how to fix pretty much anything, engines, transmissions. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you money, guys. We have more than 11,000 videos on our channels that can save you quite a bit of money. Now, if you guys need to buy parts, tools for your BMW or any car, we'll share the link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a really good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste your money. And if you need to buy cheap fuses, relays, anything for your BMW, links will be shared as well. So let's continue now. So what we have here specifically, we're going to demonstrate, guys, on a 2008 BMW 5 Series, okay, right here. But even if you have the earlier models, it should be helpful as well. So, which fuses we'll need to check? You guys have up to 3 different fuse boxes. Today we'll be working on one of them. Easy to get to. Open the glove box on the passenger side. Just open your glove box. On the back side of the glove box you have a cover with 2 turning knobs, one on the left, one on the right side. Turn them, remove that cover, you get to a fuse box directly behind the glove box. This guys is known as the glove box fuse box. So before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. So it is super important, guys, to always test fuses and relays, and something else as well, common mistakes people make. Sometimes you may think that a fuse is good, or you cannot actually see if the fuse is clearly burned, and in that case, guys, you may put the fuse back together, and you may end up spending money and time on parts you don't need, and all we had to do is just test the fuse. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below how to test the fuse. It takes only a few seconds to find out for sure if it's good or bad. The same thing for relays, guys, okay? Some of those could be really expensive on cars, so we'll put a link in the description of the video below how you can test relays. And for some certain fuses, guys, it's important to disconnect the car battery when removing them, otherwise you can burn the electronics. And for instance, working on airbags, fuses, or anything like that, you need to wait at least 1 hour after disconnecting the car battery. And if you're not qualified and certified to work on airbag system, I will never recommend to do that, guys. But when disconnecting the car battery, guys, okay, common mistake people make, it's important to know which battery terminal you reconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can burn electronics modules. How we know about that? We burn before the traction control module on BMW that cost us $2,000, guys. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below which battery terminal to disconnect first. Check it out for your convenience. So here now, let's explain which fuse we need to check. 2 fuses that we'll need to check if you have that option. Specifically, ours didn't have it, but we will explain, okay, where you can expect to find the fuses. Coming in this row, you count 1, 2, 3, 4. Fuse number 4 is the first that you will need to check. 1, 2, 3, 4, right here. Then you come in that row of fuses on the bottom, and you have fuse number, okay, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. If you have it, it will be right here, guys, okay? You will have it, okay, right there. Fuse number 20 will be another one for the electronic damper control. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys next time.